So good morning, welcome to Brightech Robotics. Here we teach robotics and computing, and we bring it down to our student level. Today we are going to learn how to turn on a LED using the Znatok Kit. So I have my Znatok Kit here with me. I've already opened it. So today we are going to turn on a LED. Please, if you have not subscribed to my video, please do to like and share. So guys, welcome back. We've already been through the unboxing of the Znatok before. So today we are going to turn on a LED. So I'll have my board here. So I have my board here. Now I will need the battery. So this is my battery pack. Now we have pins here. So I'm going to place it on this. So you look at the pins. Now it's stuck, so it will not fall. Then I place my batteries inside. I need my switch. I will need my switch, so I will place my switch. I'll place my switch here. Bulb. So I'm using the light bulb. I place it here. Now I need to connect my wires. So looking at the distance, I will need the two wires. This is the two. So I place them here and here. We press the joint and not the middle. So we press the edges, the joints. Don't press the middle. I will need another one for the switch and the battery. So we press the joints. Now I will need the wires, the 3 pins. So this is the wire, the 3 pin. So I connect the LED to the switch. So we press the joints, the edges or the end. So now I have created my circuit. So this is a simple circuit. Now if I want to turn the circuit on, so I have my switch here, and we have on and off. So you can see we have on and off there. So if I press it to the on, my bulb or LED will turn on. And if I bring it to this side, my LED is off. So this is a simple way to create a circuit. So we have our switch here, the wires, the 3 pins, wires, 2 pins, the bulb, the switch, and the battery pack. So if I press my switch to the on, my bulb will turn on, and if I bring it to the off, my bulb will turn off. In other ways, we can say close the circuit, open the circuit, close the circuit, open the circuit. So guys, thank you for watching.